Hello everyone, welcome to the session of Python GUI programming using tkinter. Till yet, what we have studied number of widgets like we have studied label, then entry and button. Okay, now next widget we are going to cover, that is message box. So what is message box? When you create something, or if there is some error, and if you want to display that particular message, the pop-up window will come displaying the error message or information message, warning, etc. So you are going to use this message box. Okay, so different things are there, like I have a ready-made code here, that is message box dot show info. Okay, you can see here, show info will display the information. Okay, then show warning is there for displaying the warning message. Show error is there for displaying the error message. Ask question is there. Okay, then OK cancel. These two different things or two different buttons you are going to get. Okay, ask yes no is there. Do you want to retry or try again? Such kind of things or such kind of message boxes we can use in our code. Okay, so I'll just run this particular code. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to run this. Yeah. See, on a window, we have taken one label, that is message box tkinter training. So it is displayed. Okay. Then very first line is, after that very first line is what? Message box dot show info. Show info. That's why this information symbol has been displayed, and text is information. That's why it is there. If I click on OK, next line is what? Warning. Okay, show warning. It is having warning as a text. That's why it is displayed, and this notation is because of this show warning method. Okay, if you click on this, error message has been displayed. If you click on OK, for ask question, it is are you sure, yes or no. You can click on any of this. Want to continue, ask OK cancel. Okay, find the value, yes or no. Try again, for retry it is try again. Okay, you can retry or you can click on a cancel, like this. Okay, so there's many different methods are there if we use a message box. Okay, so we are going to use this particular code again, where you have to enter your ID and password. Okay, and if password is root, then and then it is going to accept it. Otherwise, we have printed it on a console, that is error or wrong password. Now I want to make use of message box here. Okay, so instead of what we can change here, instead of printing, okay, we are going to use a message box. Right now we have seen how to use a message box. Okay, so here it is error message. That's why I'm going to use message box dot show error. If you want to display information, then we can write show info or show warning, like that. Okay, so here error message I want to display. That's why I've written message box dot show error. Okay, and write down show error. Error, suppose password is wrong password, we can say wrong password. Okay, and we'll again run this particular code. Yeah, same login window is there. ID is suppose Neelam, and password we have decided root, right? Suppose I enter root, then nothing is going to be displayed. If I enter wrong password, RUT, root, RUT, submit wrong password. This message box is displayed on a screen. Again, we can see for every widget we have studied till yet, we were mentioning the window. Label is on window. Okay, entry is on window. Okay, button is on window, like that. But here message box is not on window, it is on a screen. That's why we haven't mentioned window here. Okay, so hope it is clear. If wrong password we enter, it is going to display this. If you want to change it to information, okay, so we can make change here, show info. Okay, I'll change this as well, show info. Again, run this particular thing. Okay, information. Yeah, sorry. I want to run this. I want to run this particular program. So if I run this and I give wrong password, okay. So information has been displayed here because of this show info method. Hope it is clear. Number of methods are there, like for message box, show info, show warning, show error, ask question, ask OP cancel, ask yes no, ask retry cancel. You may try by your own. Now next widget is what? Text. Okay. Yeah, yeah. If you want to take a single line input, then we use widget as entry. But if we want multiple or multi-line input or paragraph as an input, at that time we have to use text widget. Okay. So text widget, for this you can see the syntax over here. For label we write label, for button button. Okay. Entry we write for the single line entry, and text is written for the multiple lines input. Okay. So we'll try this particular code. Yeah. Instead of this label, I'll just copy and paste it. Why? Because everything is already discussed before. Okay. These two, I'll again explain this. These two lines are for, this is for importing the tkinter. This is for creation of window. This is for renaming or giving or assigning the title to the particular window. This is having fixed geometry size. Okay. Resizable is disabled here because of 00, and we are going we have taken text as a widget, okay, with height 5 and width 50. And pack is a geometry method for organizing or representing the widget on a window. Okay, I'm going to run this particular code. Yeah. So single line input, instead of single line input, we can give here multiple lines as a input. Okay, and we can paste any code or any multiple lines on that particular form. It is going to accept it. Okay, before, after that also I can give number of lines as a input. So this is next widget we have covered, that is text.